But the fact that you were in Street Fighter,
Yes.
all right?
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
'Cause I know as a kid, we played Street Fighter. You know what I mean? How did that even come up?
Capcom is a big video game company, you know, and they came to Canada looking for their guy. They did an audition, and everybody was there. Everybody went to the audition. I seen everybody at the audition. When I say everybody, everybody, like Ghetto. I think Ghetto Concept was at the audition. Maestro was at the audition. Cardi was at the audition. Chaclair, Mishi. Anybody you could think of at that time was there. Sakti, everybody. And I guess nobody was prepared. Well, everybody was prepared, you know, but the beat that they put on for you to rap on, you didn't know what it was going to be.
Okay.
So it was some fast video game, doom, 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 like some fast 100 and some tempo. So I guess when it was my turn, you're not allowed in the room when anybody's up there auditioning.
Yeah.
When it's your turn, they call you in the room, and you just see them sitting at the table. You're on the stage, they have their pen. They put on the beat, and I was like, okay.
Yeah.
And then it's an opportunity, bro. I wasn't going to let that pass, bro. I rapped on that 100 and something beat. I rapped on that fast beat, and I stayed on it, bro. Like, you know? And at the end of it, I think it was the next day or later that day, they contacted us and said, yo, we want to use you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I ended up doing the voices, like round 1. Fight.
What?
Yes.
I thought it was just, okay, I have a song and stuff.
Nah. The crazy thing, they told me on a Sunday that you have studio tomorrow. Like, we're going to go to studio. We want you to record 3 songs.
Yeah.
That wasn't even written yet. So I'm like, how am I going to do this?
Yeah.
It's either I just say, oh, I can't do it. I don't have 3 songs.
Yeah.
Opportunity gone. Or I start writing these 3 songs right now.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, we'll be there. And I wrote 3 songs. I never did that before. 3 songs in less than 24 hours, son. Wrote 3 tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this was for Street Fighter.
This is for Street Fighter 3. And so when you're picking your character, you hear a song in the menu. You hear me rapping. When the game's over, you hear me rapping. And then the theme song, that was my favorite one. The one that they used for the main anthem. Street Fighter 3, that was crazy. Like,
that's
the
fact that you actually did the voiceover parts too. That's the part that is, to me, that's the crazy part there. Fight. You know what I mean? That's the crazy part.
They gave me pages.
Yeah.
I must have said something 450 words or phrases like KO, you lose, or like, you know what I mean? Things that you would hear in video games. So, I mean, that was an experience, man.
That's crazy. There. And why did they choose to come to Canada to look for artists, opposed to are they an American company or are they a Japanese company?
Japanese.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they decided, let's try Canada.
Yeah, like, I mean, Japanese to the point where they weren't even talking English. They had a translator come in and did like that guy, you know what I mean?
Yeah. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.